Good morning, students.
Good morning, Mom. Mom, what do you have in your hands?
What do I have in my hands? Actually, these are some substances which are used to separate some other substances. Okay, because the name of the chapter is Separation of Substances. You know, chapter number 5 in your class, Separation of Substances. You know what are substances? Matter. You know the definition of matter. So substances can be of two types. Either they are pure or they are not pure. If they are not pure, then they are called mixtures. Very good. Under pure substances, elements and compounds are there.
Mom, we have done these in chapter number 4 also.
Very good. Elements and compounds you have already done in chapter number 4. Fine. So these come under pure substances. Now, impure substances, mixtures. Mixtures can be of two types. One is what? Like composition. Throughout composition is same, which is evenly spread. For example, air. You know, between you and me, air is there. And in air, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, there are many gases, right? Right? Are you able to see these all gases separately?
No, Mom.
No, fine. Because these all gases are evenly spread. That's why air is an example of homogeneous mixture. Then heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is what? In which the substances are not evenly spread. For example,
Sand in water.
Sand in water. If you mix some sand in water, it will not be mixed completely. Fine. So this is a heterogeneous mixture. You know what are the properties of mixtures? The properties of mixtures are what? Their ratio of the constituents may vary. That is not fixed. For example, if I talk about the air of this room, so here oxygen is quite more. But if I talk about the air of some industrial area where pollution is very much, at that side, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide gases might be more. So their composition is not same throughout, or you can say their ratio is changed. Number 2, individual properties. अभी अगर मैं यहाँ एयर की बात करती हूँ, इसमें ऑक्सीजन और नाइट्रोजन है. ऑक्सीजन की अपनी प्रॉपर्टी अभी एज इट इज है और नाइट्रोजन की प्रॉपर्टी भी अभी एज इट इज है. जबकि जब हम एग्जांपल ले रहे थे कंपाउंड्स का, तो वो मिक्स होते ही अपनी प्रॉपर्टी चेंज कर रहे थे. हियर प्रॉपर्टीज आर द सेम. नंबर 3 property is what? They can be separated by physical methods. They can be separated by
Physical methods.
Now the point is, why do we separate them? What are the reasons of separation? अभी मैं चने खा रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ कि इसका छिलका ना खाऊं, तो मैं क्या करूँ? मैंने सेपरेट कर दिया. And the name of the process is winnowing. Name of the process is
Winnowing.
I can do something like that also. मैं हैंड पिकिंग भी कर सकती थी. I could use my hands to pick the undesirable things. Undesirable things means unwanted things, the things which we do not want. Okay? Okay?
Yes, Mom.
So, the reasons of separations are to remove undesirable constituents and to get useful constituents. Now, methods of separation. If solid is in solid, like this peel was there on this chana, roasted chana, then what? Solid was there in solid. You have done a number of examples in your kitchen. For example, you have rice or dal, some stones are there, you can pick it up. So solid is mixed in solid. Or your mom generally can do like that also. So this is, which process is this?
Winnowing.
Winnowing. So there can be many methods. If solid is present in solid, then threshing can be there, winnowing can be there, hand picking can be there, sieving can be there, right? ये देखिए, this is used to
Filter
wheat flour. आटा छानने के काम आता है. Fine. So एक solid को दूसरे solid से हम अलग कर रहे हैं. If solid is present in liquid and that solid is insoluble, For example, sand in water. So आप क्या कर सकते हैं? You may remain that particular mixture for a while, and then sand will be settled down, water will be supernatant, and it can be decanted off. The name of the process is sedimentation and decantation. The name of the process is
Sedimentation and decantation.
Fine. आप चाय बनाते हैं, उसमें टी ग्रेन्यूल्स होते हैं जो इनसॉल्युबल हैं, और आप क्या करते हैं? फिर उसको छन्नी से छान लेते हैं, राइट? आप पनीर बनाते हैं, तो आप पनीर को क्या करते हैं? जो वे है उससे उसको फिल्टर कर लेते हैं, स्ट्रेन कर लेते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेनर, राइट? राइट.
Yes, ma'am.
So filtration can be there, loading can be there. In loading, you know what do? We take potash alum. That alum जितने भी हमारे पास impure substances हैं उनको heavy कर देता है. उनको क्या कर देता है? Heavy. Then if we have liquid in liquid, so if liquid mixtures are there and we have to separate them, you know liquids are of two types.
Miscible and immiscible.
Miscible and immiscible you already done in chapter number 4. Miscible is what? Which is dissolvable, which is soluble. For example, alcohol and water. Immiscible is what? Which is not soluble. For example, oil in water. Oil in
Water.
If you spread some oil in water, then two different layers are there. Alright? So if miscible is there, then distillation process is done. And the name of condenser is Lee Biggs. What is the name of condenser?
Lee Biggs.
And if immiscible is there, for example, oil in water, then a particular funnel is used, which is called separating
Funnel.
That was all about this chapter. If you have some doubts, then you can take in Zoom class, and please watch this video and do not forget to send your comment in comment box. Okay? Bye bye.